DemandCaster supply chain planning software provides the insight and agility you need to optimize your business outcomes and fuel your competitive advantage. With DemandCaster, go from reactive to proactive. Connect demand to supply and bring your organization together around a consensus-based plan that keeps you ahead of the unexpected. DemandCaster provides powerful and intuitive planning capabilities and the data-driven insight you need to act with certainty and speed in every decision. And DemandCaster gives you peace of mind, offering inventory optimization to S&OP and an adaptable, cloud-powered system that is designed to grow with you as your planning needs expand. DemandCaster replaces static spreadsheets as your go-to tool for planning and data management. Using data directly from your ERP system, cloud-based DemandCaster aligns planning activities across your organization, maintaining a single version of the truth. Since staying on top of demand is critical, demand planning in DemandCaster starts with historical sales and current orders. This leverages a multitude of forecasting algorithms at customer, product category, and item levels. Let's look at the underlying numbers in the demand plan. Scrolling down, you can see the historical and projected demand in units, average selling price, and revenue projections. You can make edits to quantity, price, cost values, and even perform what-if analysis. You can further shape the demand forecast with the 4P functionality to work with pricing, promotions, placement, and product lifecycle decisions. The updated demand forecast is reflected across all departments and levels of your organization, so everyone sees a single version of the truth. Once your demand plan is updated, DemandCaster gives you the option to either adopt a level strategy for production or a chase strategy when computing the supply plan, so you can better respond to demand fluctuations. In this case, the company is following the level strategy. To ensure the supply chain plan is feasible, you can perform a material requirement review for replenishment recommendations. And for manufacturers, you can also test the plan against your production capacity. You can see that Work Center Mixing 1 is over capacity on April 4th. Decisions can be made quickly to increase capacity or to move the workload to a day that is underutilized. With the push of a button, you can approve the plan and ensure that each of your facilities is operating on an approved master schedule, which then drives jobs and purchases in your ERP. Once your supply chain plan is approved, you can then execute your day-to-day operations. DemandCaster allows you to review the daily requirements plan with exception messaging to drive your production, purchasing, and distribution activities. But the most important aspect of planning with DemandCaster is that supply chain planning doesn't happen in a vacuum. As purchase orders get fulfilled and production jobs executed, the system accommodates fluctuations in both demand and supply, giving you continuous feedback. That way, supply chain planning is never static, as it is with a spreadsheet. With DemandCaster, you'll be ready for what's next. Advance from reactive responses to taking timely, proactive actions that help you stay ahead of the unexpected. Bring your supply chain into sharper focus. With DemandCaster, you'll have data-driven insight to make decisions based on facts, not emotions. And with DemandCaster, you'll have an adaptable system that will grow with you as your planning needs advance. Change your game with DemandCaster and start optimizing your business outcomes and fueling your competitive advantage with continuous supply chain insight and agility. Contact us to learn more or request a live demonstration.